This is an excavator. Some excavators can dig deeper than a 5-story building is tall. This is a bulldozer. A large bulldozer can weigh as much as 10 elephants. This is a tower crane. Some tower cranes are over 250 meters, 800. The world's largest dump trucks can carry more than 400 tons in one trip. This is road roller. Some road rollers weigh more than a blue whale. The drum keeps turning so the concrete doesn't harden before it reaches the construction site. One machine can both dig with the back and lift with the front, saving time and space. Some heavy-duty forklifts can lift more than 50 tons. Some heavy-duty forklifts can lift more than 50 tons. It can turn 360